Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so the app can work reliably. First, install and grant permissions. This lets notifications and storage operate. Next, enter your phone, email, and the backup 6-digit code to secure the account and speed up recovery. Once done, link any external device by turning on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and confirming the pairing prompt. This step prevents connection interruptions later, so make sure to complete each item before moving forward. You now configure how you appear and who can reach you. Fill your profile with a clear photo and display name. This improves recognition in group chats and search. Once done, import contacts or scan QR codes to add collaborators without manual entry. Make sure to set privacy controls, toggle presence, read receipts, and blocked users, so you control visibility and interruptions. These choices affect notifications and sync behavior, so take a minute to match settings to your workflow. You're ready to use O+ Connect's core features to collaborate. Start conversations, create groups, and schedule calls from the top toolbar. Invite participants and attach files or voice notes as needed. Once in a call, enable live captions for clarity and record sessions if required. To finish cleanly, sign out of unused devices and review sync status. If something breaks, first clear cache, confirm app permissions, then restart the app. If problems persist, reinstall to reset corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.